Hey everybody, this is Dawn Burke and you are watching the Saba Talent Vlog. So today's topic is video. More importantly, how video needs to be incorporated into your learning and development programs. Now, HR pros and leadership and development pros, you gotta be more resourceful than ever these days. And I know whenever you're gonna add something new to any program, you gotta get permission from someone. You gotta get permission from your CEO, CFO, CHRO, whoever. So we're gonna focus today on some things you can tell those folks to convince them this is important to your program. So check this out. Your brain loves video. It's hardwired to absorb it. The brain retains visuals and video much longer than text alone since it's stored in the brain's long-term memory center. So, if you use video, know it's 83% more effective in material retention than text alone. 83% more effective. That's a stat you can't ignore. Also, video is not boring. I mean, this video speaks for itself, right? Don't answer that. Video usually is not as boring as text. What do I mean? I love to read a novel, but I can read it in bite-sized chunks at my own speed. However, if I'm sitting in a class and I'm forced to read lots of text, or if I'm forced to listen to a long lecture, doesn't work for me. It also doesn't work for a modern audience. Their attention spans now have been trained to just be a lot shorter. So video, not boring. You don't want to be boring. Video's where it's at. Video is also super fast to produce. I believe all of you have one of these, right? You've probably noticed that every smartphone has a video function and a picture function. You can incorporate pictures into your trainings as well. And most of your laptops, particularly if you have a Macintosh, has free video editing equipment. Free. Included in your phone. So it's really, really easy to produce. And guess what? The video quality on a lot of these phones is really, really good. So did I say free? Also, when we talk about videos being able to be produced or recorded quickly, that really is important if you're going to have a in real time type of training program. Your organization and your training needs can change like that. So it's going to be really great if you're able to change your video or your content as quickly as your company is changing. Also, if you have a CEO who's advocating for a program, a lot of the times you're going to want to use them in your video program to advocate for it, to advertise it, and let's say your CEO changes. So again, you're able to make quick changes in a free, quick way. Last but certainly not least, your employees can be an active participant in your videos and your training programs. In my 20 years of HR experience, trust me, if employees are involved, people are just happier. The employee wants to be a part of it. Not every one of them, but a lot of them too. They have a lot of ham in them and they want to go ahead and show that. Also, employees can bring to your program real life scenarios, things that will be very relevant in real time to the things that you're trying to train and lead. And frankly, it's just fun. It is always fun to watch your peer, coworker, get up there and be on video. People love it. So there you have it. I do have to say, in addition to all the free resources that I've given you, please know, I'd be remiss to not say that Saba has a video module within their platform as well. So check it out. If you are not using the Saba platform, that's cool. Check out the Saba blog because they've got lots of other great resources about video and how it can work for your training program. All right, see y'all later.